tired of mediocre sound quality and tangled wires? Imagine having crystal clear audio, effortless calls, and sleek design all in one compact package. Hey there, I am Divya and welcome back to Tegonity Studios, another exciting review. Today we have something special for you. The Grooves Infinity Earbuds Wireless TWS Earphone in stunning white. If you are looking for lightweight, high quality and feature-packed earbuds, you are at the right place. The packaging is sleek and compact. Inside, you will find the Grooves Infinity Earbud, a charging case, a charging cable, and a user manual. Simple and straightforward, just the way we like it. The Grooves Infinity Earbuds are truly wireless with Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring a hassle-free experience. They deliver HD sound quality with a 13mm large unit for stronger anti-interference and better fidelity. You get high, medium, and low audio for an immersive auditory feast, perfect for music lovers. But that is not all. These earbuds offer HD call quality with effective anti-noise technology, ensuring your conversations are crystal clear. Even binaural communication helps reduce environmental sound, making your communications more clearer than ever. And for those on the go, the fast charging feature is a game changer. Plus, they come with the two classic colors, black and white, to match your style. Simply open the case and they automatically go into pairing mode. Once connected, you will notice the incredible sound quality immediately. The highs, the mids, and the lows are well balanced. And the bass is so punchy. The Grooves Infinity Earbuds are a fantastic choice for everyone looking for high quality wireless earphones. They offer excellent sound quality, clear calls, and a comfortable fit. The fast charging and lightweight designs make them perfect for daily use. So, if you are ready to experience unbeatable sound quality, then grab your Grooves Infinity Earbuds now by clicking the link in the description box below. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tegonity Studio for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.